Traveling can be hectic, especially when it comes to packing. And if you are an overpacker like me, then, don't let overweight fees ruin your trip. Meet the digital luggage scale, your new travel companion. Lightweight, compact, and easy to use, it provides accurate weight readings in seconds. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to hassle-free packing. With this scale, you'll never be surprised at the airport again. Travel with confidence and focus on what really matters. Making memories. With its compact design and precise measurements, it fits right in your bag. Ready to travel smarter? Visit the link below and grab your luggage scale today. Your adventure awaits. Thanks for watching. This product was brought to you by SkyTechX. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and product reviews. We'd love to hear your thoughts.